Our promise? Dependable, ultra-rugged mobile devices with tailored solutions and reliable support so businesses can focus on what matters most. We took a costly problem and created a winning solution for a commercial fruit farm. Just like you, this customer tracks people, products, and data, both on the farm and across the nation, and it does it instantly without interruption. A mobile device that can't keep up will directly impact productivity, profitability, and employee safety, resulting in increased operational downtime. How did Kyocera keep this business moving? This customer selected the ultra-rugged Kyocera DuraSport 5G. It came with our 2-year warranty on the Verizon 5G ultra-wideband network. DuraSport is built rugged for work and smart for business. But a mobile device alone isn't a total solution. They also selected accessories from our solution store to meet their team's needs. Then they ran applications to reliably track vehicles, manage payroll, and keep employees safe. And Kyocera supported custom provisioning and remote support for their devices with our US-based Business Select program. The result? A solution that fits their needs. Reliable communication, increased productivity, and a longer device lifecycle. What can Kyocera solutions mean for your business? Faster, reliable connectivity, and tailored solutions with a device that can survive the day, all at a lower total cost of ownership. This is why Kyocera solutions are crucial for business. Experience a total mobility solution for your business. Kyocera, rugged devices for work, smart solutions for agriculture. How can we help?